Welcome to the video. Today I'm going to show you how you can find and play Snapchat games. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go ahead and make sure our Snapchat is up to date, and you can do that by going to the App Store or the Google Play Store. Once here, you then want to go ahead and open up the Snapchat application, and you want to scroll to the left where you can see all of your friends. Now from here, what you want to do is go ahead and select a friend you want to play the Snapchat games with, or if you want to go ahead and play it yourself, you want to go ahead and search for your own username. Now once you're in the messaging section of Snapchat, you want to go ahead and press the little rocket icon on the right hand side of the screen just above the keyboard. That's going to go ahead and give you a list of games you can currently play. Now what you want to do is go ahead and select the games you do want to play. So you want to go ahead and press on play or launch, because I've already launched it. It's going to go ahead and bring up the Snapchat game. Now with all the Snapchat games, you can go ahead and play them like normal, but you'd have the controls at the bottom here. So you can go ahead and press the gear icon, you can change the game audio and go through all the settings. You could also send a direct message while you're in the game as well. You could also nudge a friend if you select the icon just to the left of the gear icon. And when you're ready to exit the Snapchat game, all you need to do is click the X in the bottom right hand corner. It's going to prompt you, click on leave game, and then you can fully leave the Snapchat game and return to the normal Snapchat. And that is all you need to do to find and play Snapchat games with yourself or with friends. So if this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.